Julie Anderson. I'm the head of the RNA Centre of Excellence. I've been at CPI for 8 years. In my role, I look after the RNA Centre of Excellence and the Training Academy. RNA therapeutics are an exciting technology that are allowing us to treat previously untreatable diseases. One of the problems that CPI found around RNA manufacturing when we were involved with the vaccine task force in the COVID pandemic response was that there was no manufacturing capability within the UK. In establishing the RNA Centre of Excellence and the early phase clinical manufacturing supply created a legacy and the onshoring of the capability that we have. So the benefits CPI can bring to companies looking to work with us in the RNA therapeutic areas are that we are based in the northeast of England. We have the end-to-end capability and experts under one roof. So the equipment that we have installed into the RNA Centre of Excellence is a flexible solution to support the platform that we have here at CPI. It manages different scales. It's a plug-and-play approach because although we have a platform process, every process is slightly different, and we can address that with the unit operations that we have. We look forward to the next innovations in the area. So we have a number of collaborative research and development projects ongoing where we push the boundaries of what is currently capable. CPI have recently launched the Intracellular Drug Delivery Centre, which is a collaboration between Strathclyde University, Liverpool University, Imperial College London, the Medicines Discovery Catapult. And this collaboration will provide a single point of entry for drug developers who want to work in this area.